to Multimedia and Graphic Designing course. So in previous class, we learned about how to download and install Inkscape. Now for this lesson, I will show you how to create a new document on Inkscape. So what you want to do is open Inkscape first, and then once it load up, it should look like this. Now before I start with the tutorial, I'd like to show you guys the interface first. So the interface is very simple and they make it easy for users to navigate around the software. So the first one here, the left top corner, we have the menu bar. It consists file, edit, view, layer, object, path, text, filters, extensions, and help. This is just a basic menu bar that you can select save, export, import, and create a new document, which I will show soon in a while. And then next below it we have the what we call the snap toggle bar, snap tool. And then below it is the control bar, I'm sorry, the command bar. It's basically like a shortcut from the file section and edit. So you can create, save, import, cut, copy, paste, duplicate, group, and stuff like that. And then below it, this is called the tools control bar. And here is the tools main bar. So this is the toolbox and then the tools control bar. They both link to each other, which I'll show more in the next couple of videos. So this is called the grid or ruler. This helps you to like guide when you're uh, doing graphic design. If you want it to be like to be like accurate size and stuff like that, you can use the guides to help you with the positioning and stuff. And then you just click delete. Just click delete on your keyboard to remove the lines. And then on the bottom here, we have the color palette. This is a quick way to color your objects. So there's a scroll bar here and it'll give you a color palette ranging from dark to a lighter color. And then here in the bottom, we have the status bar. So it shows what's the current status right now. So that you can also zoom in here, rotate, then the Y and X and Y axis, then the stroke fill, yeah. And this is the command bar too. Okay, now we'll move on with the tutorial. So how to create a new document. So what you can do is go to File, Create New. It will just open a new Inkscape page like this. And you can also use the command tool here, the shortcut command tool here, and then you can just click it from here. Or we can also open existing document from it too. So if you want to open from template, I'm sorry. So if you want to open from template, you go to click from template, yeah. And then there's lots of options here. There's A4 leaflet, about screen, blank page, like size, and then you can just explore all the templates they have. So envelope size, desktop, default, even video size, no layers, icons of that. And that's how you, and then you click on the create from template after you choosing from here. Just click on it. Oh, okay. There's some error. Oh, I'll just open this again. Again, click new from template, and then let's do a business card, and then click from template, and it will create a new from template, and then we have the template here. Oh, and this is what we called a canvas. So the border around it is a canvas. Since Inkscape don't want the users to limit their workspace, they just added the white outside page. But if you want to export, which we'll cover in the next video, you just put the items inside this blank border so that it will be the size you want for when it comes to exporting. Yeah. So that is it for today's lesson on how to create a new document on Inkscape. Thank you.